So let me get set up, good people. Be right with you. We gonna get on these charts. Give me about 20 seconds. Still my producer stuff. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trading Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. All right, it's the weekend, so you know what we're going to do? We're going to chart each individual ticker on its own, give it its own episode, and we're going to keep these under 10 minutes each, and I'm going to give you the levels for next week. All right, so first one, let's get into it. This is SPY, S-P-Y, the S&P 500. When people talk about the market, they talking about SPY, the 500 biggest companies on the market. So we did hit all-time highs yesterday on Friday. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the chart. By the way, this is my new theme song music for the show. Let me know what y'all think. I made this with Suno AI, the best AI music creating platform on the planet. All right. So we hit all-time highs. So next week, it's either going to pull back and retest, or we're going to keep going to price discovery. But let's do it. Let me run these numbers. So what we do, we look for dips. We look for price reaction. Ooh, that's way down there, huh? 634.10. All right. So it's not going to be much. We are at all-time highs right now. So put that up there. Go ahead and roll to the next 10. Go to the daily chart. See if we can find something else. It's not going to be much because this thing has just been running thanks to the semiconductor sector. Shout out to everybody that's holding NVIDIA, AMD, TSM, AVGO, SOXX, SOXL, SMH. I know your accounts are looking beautiful. All right, there we go. Hosted by Matt Riches. Okay, this gap was filled. There is a gap down here. Watch the market unfold. Okay, so that's what we got, folks. Oh, let me find some levels in price discovery area, which is above the all-time high. Let's see if we have any. That is very close to the all-time high. That's it's only like 40 cents above the all-time high. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on here anyway, just because that's what came up on there. But let's go on the weekly. So what I'm doing here, I'm using the algo to look for more levels above. Now that is way too far, but that is from the weekly level. So yeah, that is completely too far. How about this? Let's just go 2% above the all-time high. Let's just go 1%. There you go. If we go 1% above the all-time high, that's where we'll be at. I do want to go 1 more percent, just in case We have a crazy run. Because, you know, we do have big tech earnings next week. 4 of our $1 trillion tickers next week all have earnings. So it could definitely continue to run. If we can get the earnings numbers, if they hit the way we expect them to hit, and the guidance as well, then we can definitely continue this run. All right, so this is 1% from the all-time high. We can take this off. Cause that's only 40 cents above. All right, so SPY right here. Current price $713.94 to the downside support. We got 711.20, 708.45, 704.10. To the upside resistance, we got the all-time high 714.47. 1% above that. We could probably go 0.5% as well. But I don't want to give too many levels in price discovery land unless the algo gives it. I'm not even going to play, y'all. So that's what I got for SPY. That's it. We had all-time highs, y'all. Enjoy your account. Check your retirement account, 401k, Roth IRA, pension. You know what I mean? You should be sitting at all-time highs. And you should be very happy with what you see. All right, we'll be back with QQQ. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, freedom. Yeah, I can't sing, but they can.